we are doing a 12 by 24 porcelain at the Newmarket, servicing the GTA. Anyone who's looking for tile installations, this is the way to go. Give them a call at 416-937-8115. We are a one-stop company. We will show you now what the heated floor mat system is. There's a variety of heated floor systems with extension wires 3 inches apart where the electrician puts it down. This heated floor system is a little bit more expensive to buy because it's all ready to put down. So we put the floor mix underneath. That's the way to go. And then we put the multi floor mix underneath and on top, so the Drypack can actually bond. So we'll just show you the stages here. Again, for tile installations, kitchen, bath, basements, Drypack leveling. 416-937-8115. And right now we'll put the floor mix on top, folks, so everything bonds, nothing separates, nothing gets hollow. And that's the pro way to get things done here. So any questions on different systems here you're not sure of, you don't want to go the right or wrong route here, give us a call, 416-937-8115. So here we are pouring some more Ultraflex multi-purpose. Okay, so the secret, folks, is to put it on the bottom and the top. We make it nice and soft, so after the concrete sand, Drypack will bond. No separations. You'll have a nice solid floor. And we will show different stages here on the Drypack and tile installations. Doesn't matter. Porcelain, ceramic, marble, granite, you name it. This is the way and the right way to go. 416-937-8115. Give them a call and you can get your project started right. Thank you.